Hey everyone, welcome. Today we're going to break down a technology that is totally changing the game when it comes to finding information, Mosaic AI Vector Search. We're going to get into what it is, how it actually works, and how you can get it up and running.
Okay, so let's dive right in by talking about a problem that we all know too well. For decades, we've been trying to perfect keyword search, but we keep hitting this wall, right? The wall where search just doesn't understand our actual intent.
So think about the classic search box. You type in a word, and it just goes hunting for an exact match of that word. It's fast, for sure, and pretty powerful. But it has this one huge limitation. It doesn't get the meaning behind your words. It's like it's missing the point. And now, with this explosion of data and AI that needs to understand context, that old way of doing things is becoming a real bottleneck.
And this slide really gets to the heart of the shift. The old way, keyword matching, it's so rigid. You're just looking for the exact title of the book. If you get one word wrong, you might find nothing. But this new way, semantic understanding, now you're searching for the idea of the book. And that means you can find stuff that's super relevant, even if it doesn't have the exact words you typed. That is a total game changer.
So how do we actually make that leap? How do we go from just matching words to actually understanding ideas? Well, the answer is a technology called vector search, and it is built from the ground up to understand meaning, especially for things like large language models.
The real magic behind all of this is something called vector embeddings. Think of it like this. It's a way to translate everything, your text, your images, even your audio, into this kind of universal language of numbers. And in this number space, things that have similar meanings are grouped close together, and things that are unrelated are way far apart. This is basically the foundation that lets AI get the world in a way that's much more human.
Just imagine for a second all of your company's data. It's this huge pile of documents, PDFs, images, audio files, you name it. It is packed with incredibly valuable information, but it's all unstructured. A traditional database has no idea how to tell you if two documents are conceptually similar. So how in the world do you unlock all that value? And this is where that map analogy just clicks. Embeddings take all of that messy, unstructured data and plot it onto this giant conceptual map. All of a sudden, related documents become like neighboring cities, and totally unrelated ones are like they're on different continents. Searching isn't about matching words anymore. It's about finding the closest neighbors on this new meaning map. Okay, so this tech is clearly powerful, but how do you actually use it without a massive headache? Well, that's exactly where Mosaic AI Vector Search comes in. Databricks built a solution to take all the complexity out of trying to do this on your own. And this is absolutely key. Mosaic AI isn't just another vector database that you have to bolt onto your system. No, it's deeply integrated right into the Databricks lakehouse. Why does that matter so much? It means no more clunky, complex pipelines just to sync your data. It's secure right out of the box, using the same Unity catalog governance you're already familiar with. And at the end of the day, it's a scalable, production-ready service with basically zero operational overhead for you.
All right, so how do you actually get your data in there? This is where it gets really cool and flexible. Mosaic AI gives you 3 different ways to create your search index, and it really just depends on how much control you need.
Okay, path number 1 is the easy button, the fully managed approach. You literally just point the system to your Delta table, tell it which column has the text you want to search, pick an embedding model, and that's it. Databricks handles the whole shebang, generating the embeddings and keeping that index perfectly in sync with your data. Now, what if you want a little more control? That brings us to path number 2. This is the bring your own embedding model. Maybe you've got your own secret sauce, a fine-tuned custom model that really understands your business. No problem. You compute the vectors yourself, you pop them into a Delta table, and vector search just takes over from there, automatically keeping your index synced up, so you get the best of both worlds. And finally, path 3 is all about precision. We're talking surgical control here. Let's say you find out just a couple of your embeddings are out of date, or maybe incorrect. Well, instead of rebuilding the entire index from scratch, you can use the Direct API to go in and insert, update, or delete just those specific records. It's maximum precision for exactly when you need it.
So this all sounds super powerful, right? But you might be thinking it's going to be a huge pain to set up. Well, the best part is, it's not. It's actually way more straightforward than you'd think. You don't need a whole specialized team to get this going. Seriously, it all comes down to just 3 main steps. First up, you create a vector search endpoint. That's the dedicated compute that's going to power all the search requests. Second, if you're going the managed route, you set up a model-serving endpoint to host the embedding model. And last, step 3, you create the vector search index itself, just by pointing it at your source delta table. That's it. The system takes over and starts syncing everything for you.
So let's bring this all home. The real takeaway here is to start thinking beyond the limits of that simple search box. When you can search for concepts, for similarity, for real meaning, what kind of amazing, intelligent applications could you build? In this new AI era, the question isn't just about how to find information. The real question is, what new possibilities will you unlock by searching for meaning, not just words?